Before using the sketcher, you will need a body. To get started, go to the workbench selector, open it, and select Part Design Workbench. Here, click Create New Body, then click New Sketch. As the final step, select the XY plane. The sketcher opens automatically. The sketcher is where you create and edit 2D sketches. These sketches are used as the foundation for most 3D models in FreeCAD. At the top, you will find the Sketcher toolbar. Sketcher tools are divided in 3 main groups. Geometry tools let you create lines, circles, arcs, rectangles, and other shapes. Constraint tools define the size and position of your geometry. A sketch without constraints can move or change shape. Constraints fully define your sketch and make it predictable. We will learn how to use them in a later tutorial. The third group is the editing tools, which let you modify existing sketch elements. A large area in the center is the drawing area. On the right, you will find the Sketch Edit panel, where you can close and manage the current sketch. That's a quick overview of the Sketcher workbench. Next, we'll start drawing our first sketch using the basic geometry tools.